Ha? Gani. Punta tayo sa tabi ng dagat kasi wala nang init. Oo, may baon pa si Amparo kaninang tanghali. Di mo namin naubos. Yun yung dinner namin. Kuwan, luncheon meat at saka kaning itlog. Tapos sa sunod, magbaon siya ng kanin. Ako, bibili ako ng ano, ng manok. CR lang kami lang.
Sige.
Oo, no? Kasi lahat ng ano, makikita mo yung view talaga ng mga may ilaw. Hmm?
If somebody calls, you use your wallet. You can use your watch to call.
Hmm.
We don't know how to call now. Sorry. I don't know how to call. Wait, let's ask for a card. Let me ask for a card.
Ano na yun?
T-shirt.
Ang daming bibilhin. Ang pambili yung wala. Biyang. Lababo pala to dito. Galing ano. Walang nakaano dito na walang masyadong nagpunta. Sige.
Daya mo ha, wala akong picture.
Akyat ka doon, picturean kita.
Ayo, ganyan o.
Oo, ang ganda kasi. Ito, binidyo ko lang.
Saan mo ka picture?
Diyan, sa'yo. Oh, SG lang nakalagay. Ay, yun, Singapore. Naku, magandang kulay ba? Ayan, maroon.
7 isa.
7 nga isa. 2 for 10.
Wife was so strong.
Yes.
Of course.
this is life, man.
Yeah.
You got no story, yeah? Huh? You keep your secret.
I keep my secret.
Right? Some people that very good, be quiet, but whatever they just quiet. So for the flight, this one, you how you apply? You apply before? Oh, your boss sayang you, like you don't want to come back, what to do?
The kids already big.
Huh?
Go school already, the kids.
Yeah, lah, go school still they want you. Okay lah, enjoy your ini lah.
Thank you,
Enjoy
Uncle.
your flight. Who knows, one day we meet again.
Yeah, later I come back again. And then,